This is Dave Wright. I'm the chairman of Victor Hiking Trails, located here in Victor, New York. This is a bridge off the Auburn Trail that goes over to the Domine Trails. This was put in back in 2011. It's a truss bridge, meaning that the sides, the railings are a truss construction. So we're doing a little repair on the end of the boardwalk here, removing some rotten boards. The other project that we're working on today is we are touching up the paint on the blazes and clearing any foliage that would be blocking the blazes. So the rotten board has been removed and it will be replaced. This is the second board that needs to be replaced. That's going to be a little more tricky. So the old board came out a lot easier than we thought. Now we got a new board to go in place.
Right side up?
Yes. Now it's easy to tell the new board from the old boards. There's the middle board in place. But we're done here. This is on the red trail, and there's a couple little ditches here that we put in to get the water away, but it makes it tough on the bikes. Put in some flexible pipe. The plastic pipe has slots in the side of it, in the OD. So we put the slots at the top, so let the water drain in, and then carry it away to the other side of the trail. Then we put some netting over the top of the pipe to keep the dirt from getting into the slots. Then we just cover it all up with some dirt. And that is the finished product. Two little dips that are now loaded off with flexible pipe. This is the best part about doing trail maintenance. When we're all done with the trail maintenance, we go to a little establishment, local, and have a little adult beverage and maybe something to eat. So thanks for joining us. Hope to see you on our next outing.